Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2023 round 3. This video gives a quick guide and tip to win Capsim Capstone 2023 when you play against the computer self-paced. So it means you play against 5 teams led by computers. This is round 3. We are having good sales and profit and have added 2 new products in round 1 and round 2, and this is round 3. We will try to maintain top sale and profit in the 8 rounds of this game when we play against computers. So you see on the screen the R&D screen, research and development screen. We are going to update the product based on the industry condition report and career report. Round 3 we add the third new product in performance segment. You see on the screen, right? So from round 4 we will double the sales and profit in 3 segments: traditional, low end, and performance. Now we check after increased performance and size, we can use Excel file to calculate better R&D better. And you can download the free Excel file under this video in the comments link. And after check the launching date in the same year, so we move to the marketing table. For this screen may be quite different to your screen because it is advanced marketing screen. If you have simple marketing screen, you have only 2 columns to input the numbers, sales and promotion. But it is advanced marketing screen, so we try to input the number. It looks complicated, but you can try to maintain the promotion and sales around 1,500 for round 3. It will be okay, right? And for time and location, we divide the budget for 7 products because we have added 2 new products in round 1 and round 2. Therefore, in round 3 we have 7 products now, and 1 more product. We will have 8 products from round 4. So we just try to maintain the budget around 1,300 and 1,500 is okay. We focus more on low end and traditional, so we can increase budget for low end and traditional. Yeah, we can increase that because we will sell more in low end and traditional production. These 2 segments accounts for nearly 70% of the total market share, and the other product accounts for about 10%. We need to calculate the sale focus for round 3. It is very important. We check you see on the screen the sale and profit of the rounds for each product, and we use this table. We use this number for calculation of new sales forecast. You can use Excel file to multiple the unit result from last round with the segment growth rate, and then we can get the sales forecast. So we can add about 10 or 15% to avoid the stock out, or in case we sell better than the plan, right? 10 or 15% added is enough. So we input the sales forecast as you are seeing on the screen for on the 7 products, right? The new product we will start production from next round. That's for marketing. And now we come to the production screen. For production screen, we also can use a free Excel file to calculate the production schedule or production plan using the sales focus, and also we deduct inventory, the number of inventory we get from the career report. So we use Excel file to calculate faster. We added capacity for the new product, increase capacity for the other product, and also we adjust the promotion. We increase promotion of traditional and high end in round 3. For the other product, we will increase the automation from next round. And we need to take production very carefully because it is actually will affect the sales and profit of the route. We need to adjust the automation and sale a little bit to have, because we have limited budget for using this round. So we adjust that to have enough budget around 40 million. You see on screen. So we increase traditional to 7 and low end to 9, and the other we maintain it around 3 and added capacity for 3 new products. Again, this is very important to add a new capacity for the new product because we can start the production from next round. And now you see the screen of finance. In the early round, we invest, so we need funds to invest for R&D, production, for expansion and promote and sell. So we use all the three sources of fund: stock issue, long-term and short-term loans, to have enough cash to avoid any kind of emergency loans. You see, we need to reserve as much cash as possible. And for TQM, total quality management, we can use on the 10 initiative 8,000. If we focus on some activities of the 10 initiative, we can invest, spend more, around 1,200 for example. But basically we give 1,000 for all the 10 initiatives. So we have good sale and profit. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support for free to round, you can send the email, or you can send to require a Zoom session to guide you on the decision explanation. Thank you for watching. Again, good luck and success.